Hello guys, this is Kevin from Frigo. Today I'll show you how to assemble Frigo e-scooter model E10 Pro. So when you receive the scooter, you see there is a box like this. Open the box. When you receive the scooter, you can see the box like this. Open the box, you can see the charger inside. This is AC cable, user menu, and also the tool kits. There is a protector here, so remove this. And you can see it's like this. You cannot do like this. You must move this first before you pull up and lock. It's locked. Now you see the removes the stuff. And you see there are two cables connectors. You see there are two cables connectors. Must do like this. Same side. Here, and then push inside. We must move the head to make sure you can find the right position. Okay, you see here? Finally, we find the position. When you install the screws, make sure the screw is in the right way. Must be like this. There are another two screws in the behind. Remove this. Put here. Okay, do like this, and put the screws here. Another finger to do like this. Now we fasten the screws. Push here to here. Connect. It's locked. If you want to unlock it, press the button. Remove. The cable lock is very good with password. You see, there are many numbers. The default number is 0. All zeros. Like this. Take out. And to here. Put and change the password. That's okay. Now it's locked. Sure. There is a button heading here to turn it on and turn it off the scooter. Long press to turn it on the scooter. You can see some information on the screen. Here's the speed, mile per hour. Here 3 means gear 3 is high speed. Now we can change the speed by press 2 times. One time, it's gear 1, gear 2, gear 3. Gear 3 is high speed. You can see the echo of the lights. It means lights is on. See, lights is on here. You can see the echo of Bluetooth is blinking. It means the phone app is not connected. When it's connected, it will not blink. And here you see the single trip. It will show you how many kilometers you traveled. The battery level to show you now it's 100% full. You press this one to the bell. Here's the brake. The throttle. Press to go faster and stop. If you want to hold it, do like this. This one here should be locked here, okay? And tick, and you can go. Press the throttle before you go, and kick. When you stop, press the brake and stop.